Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. I'm at home right now. I just finished getting ready, got cute for the day, but we're gonna head to the Apple store right now, pick up the watch, come back and unbox it. It's really hot today in California. I'm like boiling right now. I turned off the AC for like a second to talk to you guys and I'm like but anyway, I'm gonna go now because it's super hot and I'll check you guys out in a little bit. I'm gonna take you guys with me to help me pick a band. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick yet.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
Alright guys, so I'm waiting for a specialist so they can help me out. But I saw the watch bands here and I don't know if I see any that I like. I'm gonna ask about the Nike one. They have a Nike one with a black strap and I kind of want to get that one. So yeah, I'm just waiting here and gonna see. I forgot to mention too guys, this is a gift. My Apple Watch is gonna be a birthday gift because my birthday was on 2/22 this past month in February. So yeah, that's why I'm getting a new Apple Watch. My old one, I'm gonna actually give it to my mom. I'm gonna mail it to her. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the specialist and he's gonna help me out. He or she's gonna help me out and probably get to like try on some of the watch bands.
Just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive to kill, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go.
Alright guys, so I'm right outside the Apple store. I secured the bag. I'm gonna go home and unbox this for you guys. Alright guys, so I just got home. I'm gonna jump right into the unboxing and show you guys which Apple Watch I ended up going with. I ended up going with the Nike Apple Watch. So the Nike strap was really nice because it comes in black and I just liked it over all the other striped Velcro straps. And then I did want the black leather link, but that one was sold out. So I ended up going with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start unboxing it and showing you guys what it looks like. So here we go. This is the one that I ended up going with just because it's black. I wear a lot of black and I love the Velcro straps, so I ended up getting this one. I thought it was pretty cool too because the watch itself comes with some customized Nike things. It comes with this watch face and a couple other cool features, so I ended up going with the Nike one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, pull the tab here. I don't know if there's a tab on the other side because it comes with two tabs now. This is the watch face. So I ended up going with the starlight color. I just thought it was really pretty. I was gonna get the midnight like black one, but I didn't want it to be all black, so I just ended up going with this one. It is the starlight, and I'm gonna turn it on and just let it load while it's in here. I don't even know if it's gonna turn on. I might have to charge it. There we go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what else comes inside here. So these are just the little informational packet. Comes with the Apple Watch charger. Seems like this cord's like a little longer than the last one, but I'm not sure. Oh, I just realized, thank God that I have a USB-C plug because the Apple Watch chargers now come in USB-C. I did not know that. That's new to me. This looks really long compared to like the usual chargers. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it's like metallic now too. I haven't had an Apple Watch since the 3 or 4, so yeah, this charger is like really new to me. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the strap. Like I said, I ended up going with this Nike one. It's usually $49, but I ended up getting it for free with the Apple Watch because I ended up customizing it and getting this one instead of the regular like silicone ones that usually come with the case with the Apple Watch. So this one instead. And this one, if you guys are wondering, this one is called the Black Nike Sport Loop. That's the exact name of this one. Just in case you guys like it, I'll pick up the same one. We can be like twinning. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I like this one a lot just because it's like all black. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my watch. I think I might be putting it on the wrong way. There you go. Try to be gentle with it. So as soon as I'm trying to be gentle with it, I like rub it the wrong way. There you go. So this is what it looks like. And I put the wrong language by accident. Where's English? The top. I must have passed right by it. So yeah, I can't pair my Apple Watch right now because I am filming from my iPhone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in case you guys are wondering. But I am filming from my iPhone, so I won't be able to pair it until I'm done. But I do want to try it on and just show you guys what it looks like. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And have my little eagle eye bracelet on. Looks super cute. I might do like a second video just showing you guys like what's on my Apple Watch or something like that. If you guys want, just let me know. But yeah, this is what the 41mm Starlight Apple Watch Series 7 looks like with the black Nike Sports Loop band. I really like it. I'm glad I went with this one. I feel like it's gonna look super nice on me. And yeah, I'm like excited to start playing with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys like these types of videos, like the tech videos, and if you guys want to see more like this or see more videos on the Apple Watch Series 7. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.